Hey, what's up guys? We are here out at Shawnigan Lake. We're gonna be doing some bass fishing. It's gonna be great, smallmouth fishing. We're just gonna be flipping all these docks around here, fishing some frogs. Should be pretty good. Let's get to it. Just hooked up guys on the frog. Oh. Okay, he's decent.
Yeah, not bad?
Yeah, not too bad.
Oh yeah, about average.
Awesome, first fish in the boat guys.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go on the frog.
First frog fish?
That's my first ever frog fish, if you can believe it. Sorry guys, there you go. First frog fish, first fish in the boat for the day. Awesome. Just got on this nice lunker hunt. Gray white-bellied frog. Has a bit of yellow on it. It's pretty nice. But yeah, about a nice 1 pounder, one and a half, something like that. Give them a little release and keep on fishing. Hopefully we get some good ones. Sorry, just hooked up to a decent one here. You want it netted?
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Like, yeah.
Pretty good one for this lake.
Oh,
There we go.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, it's coming through. Oh, awesome, let's go.
He broke me.
Did he break you at the last sec?
His teeth broke me.
Oh my gosh.
He's got my hook in his mouth.
Yeah, and you got the drag and drop. Let's go.
Oh, it's the last color too.
That would have been bad. Okay, that's sick.
Alright, let's put it on
Awesome.
the deck
Okay.
there. Oh, I might wait too.
Oh yeah. Want to get some pictures? Get a release shot on this guy. So what we did next was we came on to an offshore point where you can see actually on the sign there, it was marking that there was a hump there so boats didn't hit it. But we used this to our advantage and we actually were casting there because there was a probably around 20-foot difference in depth. So there was this hump that was around 20 feet deep to the hump, and then all around that was around 40 to 55 feet. So we tried to cast on top of there because we thought they would start transitioning into their summer modes, and they were. So this is how we caught them. Got a nice little guy here. Just hooked up on the drop shot. Oh gosh. This little guy's oh, he's getting caught in my other line. Oh no. No. Okay, we got him. I got caught up in my shaky head so much.
What the?
So much stuff is tangled right now. Not too bad. Just on the drop shot. Oh my gosh, absolutely choked it. Do you see that? Holy. That's nuts. Okay, we're gonna get them all unhooked and let them go here. Should be good. Hopefully we get smashed some more. All right, little guy, no net. Okay. All good. I was just checking on this crankbait, so I just hooked up to another one. Not too bad. I put a fish counter on the screen here. How many we got today?
Oh, good.
I think we got about 10 though so far.
Yeah, probably.
So, yeah. It's a pretty good day so far. Let's keep fishing. So what happened next, guys, was pretty crazy. The video will show for itself, but this massive rain cloud came in within about 20 minutes and absolutely started pelting us with rain. So we had to change up some of our strategies, and this is how we did it. Holy shit, it is just downpouring right now. Torrential downpour. Dude. Brutal.
There is literally a torrential downpour out here.
This is bad. I do not. Shit, this is just bad. Look at how rainy it is. Oh my god. Oh, we're gonna be soaked.
Oh my god. Well.
Ha! Oh, my feet are soaked through now. I can feel it now.
This is insane.
Yeah, this is kind of nuts. Try to keep all your tackle boxes closed.
There you go, it's calming down.
Not really.
Well, more than it was.
Yeah, I guess, but still, buddy, come on.
Is it even raining over there?
I don't... Got a little baby. Not too bad. No guy on the drop shot. Oh, I don't want to hit him in the eye. It's so close to his eye. Go grow up so we can catch you later, yeah? Beauty. Get some more. There she does.
Is it? Okay.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, really?
That was kind of convenient, yeah. As soon as I turned on. Keep him down so he doesn't jump.
What was that?
Little guy, yeah. That's how you would like fight a fish in like a tournament. You bring him all the way down, you know. But yeah, nice little guy, guys. There we go. Snapped my line. That's fun. But you need to calm the hell down. Ow. Calm down. You have my bait in the back of your throat. So let me get that out for you, bud, and then we'll be on our way. Anyways, guys, we're gonna quickly get this out of his mouth and we will let him go. The rain cleared up after a couple of hours and we headed off to an island that had a point on it that branched out around 100 feet. It looked super productive and we saw around a 6-pounder down sitting in the rocks. So we started throwing crankbaits, jerkbaits, and drop shots to see if we could get them. We sadly didn't hook up to that particular fish, but we started hooking up to a whack of others. So here it is. One.
Oh yeah.
Hooked up. Yeah, you're right, it does look like a trout. I'll try to not mess up what we got here. Boat flip.
Not bad at all.
He's not bad. Probably about a pound and a bit. On the jerkbait, I'm happy with that. I knew the jerkbait would do well. You know. Really. So actually, Scott Martin did a very similar thing to win Champlain, Lake Champlain on the FOW tour in 2017, and fished during the winter, like February, I believe it was, on very similar rock paths. So pretty cool. Let's let this guy go. We just got another one here.
That's a really good one. That's a really, really good one.
On the drop shot. Oh, that's a really good one. Oh, let's go. That's like a 4. That's a 4 all day. That's a 4 all day. Oh my gosh. Did it come off?
No.
Yeah, it came off in the thing, I'm pretty sure, didn't it?
No.
Oh no, that's just another jighead.
Oh my god.
That's a pig. That's a pig. Oh my god, that's a pig. Let's go. Woo. Good job, buddy. That's gonna cull so nicely, dude. That's so sick. That's so sick.
Oh fuck.
So sick. That's awesome, bro. Was that bad? Oh god. Dude, now I gotta get one. How? Throw the smallest out, yeah? Oh dude, I completely forgot I had it on and I just turned it on automatically, so I just kind of missed a little bit of that part though. Look, it's all the way down the throat. And you see how much this freaking smallie choked that?
That's a good smallie.
That's a good smallie, that'd call.
Yeah. Can I get a picture of this guy?
Yeah, definitely, man. Let's do it. That's it. Dude, yeah, awesome fish, man. We'll let him go and see how she goes. Get some more. Oh, your rod's gonna jam on it. Let's go! Wow! I saw that thing hit it.